In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a GTD system in Notion. If you're new to GTD, it stands for Getting Things Done, a popular productivity method that helps you capture everything on your plate, clarify what it means, and track it in a system you trust. We'll set this up quickly using a ready-made template so you can start focusing on your work rather than building from scratch. First, open the Notion website in your browser. Once you're on the homepage and inside your workspace, look for the Marketplace. You'll typically find it in Notion's navigation, and it's the hub where creators share templates for all kinds of workflows. Click Marketplace to enter the template gallery. Inside the Marketplace, use the search bar and type GTD Dashboard. This will surface a variety of GTD-inspired templates, ranging from minimal dashboards to comprehensive multi-database systems. As you browse, open a few previews to get a feel for the structure. Look for clear sections like Inbox, Projects, Next Actions, Waiting For, and Someday Maybe, since these map directly to core GTD concepts. Pay attention to whether the template uses databases for tasks and projects, and whether there are helpful views for today or this week. When you've found a template that fits your style, select it and click Add. This duplicates the template into your workspace, giving you your own copy to modify. After it's added, you'll see the pages and databases appear in your sidebar, or as a new page with nested content. Now, customize it so it reflects how you think and work. Rename sections to match your language, like areas, projects, and tasks. In the Tasks database, review the properties and adjust them as needed. Commonly useful fields include priority, context, concept, energy, and due date. Make sure there's a next action indicator so you can spotlight the very next step for each project. If the template includes an inbox, start by clearing any placeholder content and capture a few real items to test the flow. Create or refine views such as Today, Next Actions, and Weekly Review, using filters and sorts to surface exactly what matters. Add reminders to time-sensitive tasks and experiment with keyboard shortcuts to quickly capture thoughts. If the template includes sample automations or page templates for repeating tasks, tailor them to your routines. When you're done, practice a quick run-through. Drop a task in the inbox, clarify it, assign it to a project, set a next action, and watch it appear in your action views. With that, your GTD system in Notion is ready to support you every day.